For 3 points done, no good. Number 12, passing up in the cross. Number 17. 2 points for number 28.
Okay, mag-zone. Tao, okay, mag-zone. Facing.
Ah, apat na yan.
Stop.
First personal foul for number 1, Sabres. Number 16. Number 28 to the ball. Pass to number 27. 10 seconds to shoot. Stop.
Basket.
Counting.
Dumating na lang ginanahan.
Boyo. Number 4 to number 21. Number 16. Pass to number 12. 10 seconds to shoot.
Second personal foul, number 10,
Third personal foul for number 16. That's your third foul. Number 17, pass to number 2 for 3 points. Jumbo lang tao. Number 3, Greg Jones. Padalang ball. Pass to number 4. Got it. 18 seconds on the shot clock tayo.
Hey, corner.
10 seconds to shoot.
Apat na si Jun.
Fourth personal foul for number 00.
Apat na si Jun.
Fourth personal foul for 00. Sobra. Next sobra, thank you.
12 seconds left.
Take shot.
Go now. Sobra.
Third personal foul, number 12, third foul, Elvin.
Very fast. Yeah. Ang dami mga dyan. Number 17. Ako! Number 16. Masyado na ng bola. Pinasa na number 6. Solo na. Number 21.
Nice.
2 points for number 21. Nielsen. Kuya Jay Agram with the ball.
Third personal foul, number 29, second team foul, Viper.
Number 21 again. Third personal foul for number 3. Wala.
Basket mo.
Easy 2 points for number 4. Here it's still number 31.
Oy, kanan, kanan! Kanan!
Another 2 points, no good. Sobra, next up, ayun, wonderful penalty FDC. Bernard! Sobra,
Wala na dito.
First shot by Level, running for penalty line.
next up, Bernard. Sab, pasok niya.
Mamaya.
Ang next na, Bernard. Number 16. Sinabi siya.
Uli.
Number 4.
Oy, 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 oy!
Number 4, John. John Bernard. Wala mapasahan. Number 27.
Bang, bang.
For 3 points. Number 28, team.
Bola!
Foul.
Oy, kaliwa!
Pass to number 0.
Oh, traveling. Nice rep.
Go back. Bernard.
Isa pa.
Another 3 points.
Huli.
Hands up!
Oh!
Bernard FDC.
57 shot clock.
Wala naman siya first half.
Both teams trying for penalty. For 3 points.
Ay, dalawa. Nice one, Chris.
Number 17. Pass to number 10. That's a 3 points. Grabe, nagpapaulan ng Diyos. Number 7. Number 16, pinasa ng Diyos. Si number 0. Pinila din sa Diyos. You're good. Ibang na number 2.
Natin. Sapa.
Bola, bola.
Ay.
Number 21. Number 21. Back to number 21. 21. Tumelo.
Oh!
To Raveling.
Third personal foul number 37 by Sobrang lang.
Ino mo na ako doon.
Nice.
Go. 4 seconds.
Alvin Miller.
Number 17. Ooh! Easy 2 points for number 17.
Go.
Third second shot.
Huli.
Nabu. Number 12. Back to number 19.
3 seconds, 3 seconds.
Number 17. Sobres. Sub. Penalty left. Penalty. Robin!
Third personal foul number 19 penalty.
Ayaw, mahirap na game 3.
Number 3.
Bola.
Number 31. Ibang madali. Tumakbo sa kalaban. Number 13. Si Alex Paras. Ang gagawin ng bola. Tumira sa test. Wala, good. Number 12. Number 21.
Second personal foul number 31 Martin Bowser. 1 for penalty.
Number 3.
Kanino?
Third personal foul for number 28. And penalty na. Penalty. Both teams have a penalty.
Tatuan na.
Third personal foul for number 28. Go! Next up. Thank you. Sabra. Number 17. Woo!
Oy! Nice.
Ano, laro lang ha. 11 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds to shoot, guys.
Go.
5 seconds to shoot.
Bang.
Number 2, Morgan. Sinalo. Easy 2 points for number 3, Jay Verosa. Number 13, Ace, nagdadala ng bola. Di ba kasi sa kalaban? Kaya sa dami ng bola si Ryan. Easy 2 points for Carlos Santos Flores. Ilahat yun. Number 28.
Atil!
To pass to Ace. 10 seconds to shoot. For 3
Short,
points.
short, short.
No good.
Sub! Greg! Ace! Doon ka sa tao.
Kuya, pag magsasab kayo, dito kayo magsasabi ha. Okay.
Bola.
Kapahag sa ka. Number 3.
Olyos!
Number 17, pass to number 13. No good. Rebounded by number 3, Jay Verosa. Oh, nagdama ba?
Oy, double!
Hey, Jason! Don't pass it. Olyos, bro. Ano yun? Kakalat ka pa eh. Masyado mabilis na eh. Ay, sa'yo! Bawi tayo. Sa'yo yung number 6. Let's go! Okay lang, bawi tayo depensa. Okay lang, magkamali. Deal. Lahat ka muna, Deal.
Go ball! Okay. Number 17 to number 4. Hey!
Oh! Foul out.
Fourth personal foul sa number 3, Jay Verosa. Penalty.
Hindi, apat.
Go ball! Go ball! Shoot! Number 3, get the ball.
Bolay! Pati pinapadaan!
Penalty.
Dosi na yan kanina, oh.
First personal foul number 11, Christian foul by Ace. Ten seconds to go.
Yo, kita ka. Okay, no? Wakas na lang!
Number 38. Pass to number 17. Back to Ace. Hey. Number 13 with the ball. Pass to number 31.
Ciao! Angat, aling!
10 seconds to go.
Okay. Atay, grande. Ha?
Hey, Jason!
Stop.
Kuya, sorry ka ba yan? Stop lang. Let's go.
Go!
Go! Stop lang.
Second personal foul number 11, Christian foul by Ace.
Shoot, Mark, shoot. Number 1, pass to number 20.
Traveling.
Traveling. Last 23 seconds here on the third quarter. 50-52. Lamang ang lagi. Last shot, nagdadali. Third personal foul for number 33. Third personal foul.
Closing free to yun.
Go ball! Last 15 seconds on the clock. 10 seconds on the clock.
Third personal foul number 49, second personal foul.
The 3 points. No good.
Uy, foul pa oh.
Third personal foul for number 4.
Sobre, wala ba tayo si shoot? Saan? Okay, magsa mo!
Next time,
Go team! Let's go, let's go. That's another 3 points. Nice work, Sabang. Sa kabilang. Sorry po. Third quarter. 52-61. Tulog yung gagawin ng bola. Pass it up the floor.
Yan, traveling, traveling.
Number 10, 17. Next up, thank you so much. 17, pass to number 28. Nako! Nako! 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Uy, ano to? Grabe!
Please make use of that tanker now before exiting through the front door. Thank you.
Here James, again with the ball. The 2 points to Here James. Number 17.
third personal foul number 32 foul.
Nice!
3 points. Again for number 28. Talaga naman. Number 3 Here James. Pass to Kaya. Kaya to number 4.
Oh! Oh! Bola eh. Naka-record, naka-record pa, naka-record.
Let's put foul. Third personal foul for number 4. Sabas.
Next time,
Ay, shooter, shooter.
15 seconds left.
Nice.
Third personal foul for number 4. Fourth personal foul. Sabret substitution. Nice one, Aldrin.
Yari.
Salas, nagbabalik ng bola, nagmamadali. Okay.
15 seconds left.
Keep the left, okay. Huh?
27.
Oh, okay.
Second one for foul number 11, warning for penalty by 2.
No more. Number 17.
15 seconds left. 10 seconds.
Typical.
Oy! Nice, nice, nice. Nice one.
Next up, next up.
Number 30.
15 seconds left.
To number 24.
10 seconds.
Okay. Keep playing. Number 28 again. Warning for penalty, FBC, third personal foul for number 31. Go more! Warning for penalty, FBC.
15 seconds.
12 seconds to shoot.
Oh, nice.
Third personal foul for number 6. And 5 team foul for FBC. Next up, break, next. Stop.
Next subject.
Go back!
Basket.
15 seconds left.
Carlos again with the ball.
Subject.
Ay, kanan.
To number 24.
Controller.
10 seconds to shoot, Carlos. Easy 2 points for Carlos Santos.
20 seconds.
Likod.
Third personal foul for 11.
10 seconds to shoot.
David Grimes at penalty.
10 seconds on the shot clock.
Nice. Tayo naman.
Ball.
Tayo, tama.
Therapy Bison.
Sobra.
Nice. Yun! Oh! Trouble! Oh my God.
Ay, bola!
Number 0. Number 24. Ball. Magic. Number 9, number 0. Pass to Carlos. Okay.
Knockout. Up.
Second personal foul number 30. Therapy. Both teams penalty.
Team foul for Nike. 16 seconds. Tatlo po. Team foul for Nike. 16 seconds on the clock. Carlos. Football back.
Oh, 3 seconds lang.
Team foul. Carlos.
Ay, apat na si Greg.
Third personal foul for number 21.
Greg, apat ka na, Greg.
And one for penalty on Nike. Number 17. Sabi ko na ito sa kabila eh. Number 17.
Third personal foul number 11. Penalty.
13 seconds on the shot clock.
Oy!
Naku, tumanda. Follow to get the ball.
Nice.
Next shot, Brad, 20. Number 17 again. Shot, Brad. Shot. Good ball.
Bola! Ay! Sino foul? Foul si Jason? Paano naging foul yun?
Number 17. Penalty, penalty. Third personal foul for number 17. Penalty. Kuya Jay, nagdadala ng bola. Nako! Nabitawan! Nako! Muntik na. No good pa rin, Kuya Jay. With the ball, oh. Makilit.
Next up.
Next up, thank you.
Hoy! Takbo!
Personal time, represent penalty.
Hey, pass!
Oy! Penalty.
Chop!
Sobra. Pasok ko lang.
Hey, kaya ba yan?
It's okay. Number 0. Ito tayo na. Number 3, Kuya Jay.
3 seconds!
Nice. 3 seconds, rep.
Para NBC. International. Alright. 4 quarters, 3 minutes and 10 seconds, 63-58 in favor of FBC. Both teams have their penalty, right now? Huwag natin kalimutan. Both teams have their penalty.
3 seconds violation! Hey, wag mo na kulit! Hey, tulong mo lang! Hey, medyo, penalty sila! Maximize nyo!
Uy, kuya, ingat! Tumatapos ka lang!
Ayos na yun!
Third personal foul for number 13. Ingatan po ang ating mga ulo. Sino ba? 4.
Hey, higit ha! Higit! Tao muna! Punta tao!
Huli. Uli.
Number 20. 0-0.
Kuha, ilalim, ilalim, ilalim. Ilalim, ilalim.
10 seconds to shoot.
Nice, nice, nice.
Eh, gulong lang, gulong lang. Gulong, ay. Jason, score. Bigay, bigay.
Number 28. Easy 2 points for number 28.
Wait, kuha lang, parin mo. Kuha, 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 kuha.
Uli.
Sobra. Sobra. Shooting sa tuloy. Sobra ha, sobra.
Ace, tao ka muna dito. Okay, tao muna, tao muna. Una, una. Right, right, right. Jelo, Jelo, kuha Jelo. Kuha Jelo. Tao Jelo, dito. Wala.
Uli. Uy, Kiki ba?
Number 30 to number 17.
Labas, labas, labas. Sige, penalty sila, penalty sila.
Pangatlo na yan. Pangatlo.
Sige, tao muna, tao muna. Listen. Kuha Jelo, kuha Jelo.
Uli.
Sige, tao. Double, double Jelo. Double Jelo. Kita, kita.
10 seconds to shoot.
3 seconds.
7 seconds.
3 seconds, 3 seconds. Oy, Kiki. Nice, 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 nice. Blue ball.
Jason, penalty, penalty. Bigay, bigay, bigay. Okay, penalty, penalty. Penalty sila. Okay, muna. Huwag gagalaw, kaloy ah. Huwag gagalaw. Bigay! Penalty, penalty.
10 seconds to shoot.
Palas, palas. Out.
Nice! Nice!
Easy 2 points for number
Bola,
7.
bola, bola, bola. Bola, bola. Ace. Right side, right side. Right side.
Paula.
Still, still.
Pass to number 16.
Ilalim, ilalim.
Ilalim, ilalim, ilalim.
Uy!
Number 28, Chris Foul, graduate.
Oh,
Stop player. Next up, please.
can you
Pre,
dance?
pre, pagkuha. Diretso penalty.
Sasayaw lang pala, coach. Ako na lang ipasok mo. Magaling ako sumayaw.
Dancer ba kayo pag sumasayaw? Hey! Dancer! Hey, secure! Ray, Kaloy, secure ah. Ace, Ace. Pag tumama sa ring, free throw. Ace.
Stop player. Hindi pa kayo.
Hey,
Sorry
Ace.
po.
Saka lang. Jem. Saka lang. Ay, hindi sila mag-prepres. Jason, penalty, let's go. Hey, drop pass ulit ah. Sa left ka. Kaloy, drop pass.
Number 30 with the ball.
Okay, magkakalaw.
Here, go, Hey! Number 2, pass to number 30, nagmamadali. Ingat. Ingat po. Number 13. Number 1. Graduate ka na, number 1.
Win, win. Ay, tanga.
Kulang na isa pasok.
Pasok ka na, wala na player eh. Pasok ka na, wala na player. Pasok ka na! Pasok! Apat sila! There's only 4 of them! Sa likod. Kailangan sa isa rin. Hey, you want to go? They'll call you. No, just go on yours. They're on penalty. Screen.
Gawa na kayo ng bilang kay Jason. Para
Tatakbo siya.
Tama, tama.
Ay, one shot lang yan. Sayang. Ayos na.
Alright, back to the program, guys. Last 5 seconds for our last player. 65-66 na lang ang unang buwan. Come on, guys. Last 30 seconds for our fourth player.
Hey, don't get the ball. Jason. Ay, yun. Sa'yo pa rin yun, ha. Sa'yo pa rin yun. No foul. Ay, no foul. Stay there. Hey, kalas ka na, Kaloy. Stay.
May shot clock pa rin tayo. 12 seconds to shoot. 30, the different time.
Yan! Yan! Coach, sa loob lang, coach. Coach, sa loob lang.
Foul out, number 4.
Foul down. Hey, Kanoy. Isa lang. Para 4. Hey, no foul. Hey, balik na depensa. Hey, no foul. Labas. Ay, come on.
Oh, anong nangyari?
Tumama yun sa ring.
Ha?
Eh, angat na kayo lahat. Walang tres. Eh, no foul. Ay, walang timeout. Eh, no foul. Lane violation lang, no foul. Dito kayo manood kasi. No, lane violation lang. Hey, no foul. Jason, you get the ball. 10 seconds pa tumataas.
No timeout, eh.
May tumataas.
Timeout. Take one.
Yun, walang hawak. Huwag mo tawarin.
Last 11 seconds for our fourth player.
Sige, dyan ka lang. Dyan lang.
Tao daw kayo, tao.
Game
Last
lang.
11 seconds for our fourth player, guys.
Huli!
Tingnan mo na.
Wow! May isa pa tayo timeout.
Ano ba?
Tama ko lagi. Hey! Hey! Yun! Yun! Inbound. Ikaw mag-inbound. Okay, Jason. Ano? Meron tayo sa gitna! Parang malayo dito! Sige, sige. Kasi 3 seconds yan eh!
We have our own recruit.
Pasa dito. Go, go, go! Ayun, sige, pwede yung pasa dito.
Alright, Pati Bergen. He's on the block.
Can we pass? Can we pass here?
55-58.
No, no, no! Can we pass here? Can we go in the middle?
Yeah, but you can't do the middle. You must go over there on the full line.
Jun, Jun! Una ka!
Next game, NFC. Monitoring Vision. Bola na lang. Versus
Ching! Ching! Magkapatid ba yun? Nice, Jason! Ha?